Raj. So I've done my BE in this City Engineering College. So 2017 passed out. So from past 4 years I was not into IT and I was not able to work. So due to that, so one of my friend referred me. There is a kind of like a Besant Technologies in BTM Layout. You just go for that. So I just what means I have went on to the Besant Technologies and I have meet Mr. Vighnesh. So he told me the complete details of what are the things, manual testings and Selenium with all those things. So it was really very fantastic. So I just took with the software of Selenium with Python. So then I just went on with, and who trained me was his name is Vinay Kumar. So he's a fantastic trainer who taught me complete of what is the manual testing, what is the automation testing, what are the things is there to get into the IT industry. So with this training, I acknowledge very much in that, and I got placed in one of the top MNC company, and this is all about. So thank you.